Yeah. What's the first one, guys? Yeah, like.
Until everything is completely melted. It's going to take about to prevent your ganache from splitting, which white chocolate ganache is actually prone to.
When you read a book, like you have words that you don't understand.
Wow. So if you
Dictionary.
want a word that you don't